Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a great day. So today I am moving in just a little bit more items. Pretty much you saw yesterday I went to the house and I went through, and of course day one of having the keys, I wanted to just put some things in the house. Now I'm starting to trickle in a very small, and I do mean small, amount of decor into the house, which you guys would pretty much be seeing that. And then what you didn't see last night is I actually stayed until like 1 o'clock because I wanted to put the pendant up, so you guys will get to see that being installed. What you guys are seeing now is pretty much a lot of the pieces that I already hauled when I was in Atlanta. I pretty much packed most of the items in my car, and when I was making trips I would pretty much, buy a little bit, put it into my storage. So if you're interested, you can go back to some of those hauls, that way you can actually see some of the pieces a little bit clearer. I didn't zoom the camera in again, like I said, because I had already hauled a lot of these things and you guys got to see them. Plus, as I use them in the house, I'll talk about them again. But items like this piece here, which is the all-clad mixing bowl, and pots and pans, just different things that I had already spoke about on my channel and shared with you guys. Something else that I am about to do, and I'm going to explain it, is the night before I went on ahead and I put up the pendant light, and I was struggling to put the orb back on, and I was like, there's no way that this heavy thing is going to be held by the light bulb. I didn't want to open the second box of the lighting, but I had to because I needed to see and remember how the original hardware was screwed on, which I didn't think it screwed. But once I pulled out the second piece, I realized it screwed, which then got me excited, and of course I needed to go ahead and fix it right then and there, and I did. Even though I did all of this, you guys will find out later on, the light still has to come down because something else needs to be done with it. That one was definitely out of my control, but yeah, that's what I'm dealing with right now.
right, you guys, I'm a little tired, so you might hear me a little out of breath. So I did put the candles here. I actually have like 2 more boxes that I gotta get out of storage, but I couldn't pull everything out. And then look at that, it looks so good. I haven't painted the back just yet, the holes, which I'm gonna paint the holes into the white, but I was like, let me just try to unpack some stuff. And then I have the other tray on that side there. So I'm gonna go a little bit darker and potentially, so I am gonna go a little bit darker with the bookcase now that you can see how that box sits on there. The guy just left. So what I'm gonna get done, which I want done before the flooring goes in, he's gonna open up this whole entire space under the stairs. Let me move this thing back because right now it's on like 30. This is what the standard camera is now. Okay, so he's gonna open this whole entire thing here so I can have a bigger space and potentially create some kind of I guess like a lounge area. The reason why I'm doing that now is because the flooring needs to get done. So that's why I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now, because the flooring gets done in another week and a half. So I want them to open that wall and drywall it and finish it so that way they can put the flooring down, okay? You guys might have seen that I changed the pendant. It looks so good. I'm happy that I decided to do gold, silver, and black. And it's like a blackish gray because that middle piece is a stone. So I can actually keep all of my silver hardware on the cabinet, so I don't have to change that, which is an extra fee that I didn't want to have to cover, but it looks really, really good. I love it. Matches the island really nicely. And then I have to still find and search for the faucet, all right? Under here, I did wipe and everything last night. So under here, I did pots. Look how shiny these things look, honey. And then I did pots again, and then pots again. I still have another pot, another box of pots in the storage that I haven't grabbed just yet. And then I did some more stuff in here so I can have my, so basically I wiped everything down with the Myers. I didn't want anything too harsh on the cabinet, simply because the doors are wood, but then everything inside is like a pressed wood, minus the shelves. I think the shelves might be composite wood too. I'm not 100% sure. I don't think it's 100%, but anyway, at least if the framing around is, the bottom isn't, okay? What else? What else? I feel like I'm forgetting something else, but yeah, put that up. Okay. I need my drill, which is in storage. I could not drill this down, which is the trash and the recycling bin right here. I have to go and get that. And I have another one that's in storage. I have to go and get that. So basically, my back is to the window now. And look at the pendant. You guys, it looks so good. And I also have to get a ladder so I can change the lighting. But then I just created this cute little vignette really quickly of my coasters, a Lazy Susan, which I got from Home Goods. Home Goods, Home Goods, not Home Goods, not Home Goods. And then my little figurine, she's not gonna stay here. I'm actually gonna do a really beautiful silk floral that's probably gonna lean this way, so that way the candle doesn't, you know, smoke it up and everything like that. And then I have to get like a little small, something to clip back the wick for the candle, so when I do that. But I really like it. It looks really good. I haven't sealed the grout. I haven't done any of that stuff because I just don't feel like doing that, which is why I didn't really mess with the countertops. The countertops are sealed, but the backsplash isn't. I'm gonna wait. There's no point in me trying to seal and clean when literally this whole house is about to be like super dusty. So my main concern was trying to get things inside of the cabinets. But that is it for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you guys next time.